If you're facing connection issues with the new free game on Steam, where the error "unable to connect to the server" appears, this is often caused by DNS and IP glitches. Here's how you can fix it. First, open Command Prompt as an administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type the following: IPCO nfig/release and press Enter. This will release your current IP configuration. Then, type IPconfig/renew and press Enter again to request a new IP address. Next, type IPconfig/flushdns and press Enter to clear any cached DNS records that could be causing issues. After that, type IPconfig/registerdns and hit Enter to refresh your DNS settings. Once you've run all these commands, restart your router and PC to make sure everything takes effect. This should resolve the connection issue and allow you to reconnect to the game. If the issue persists, try resetting your network adapter. This can be done through your computer's network settings and will help re-establish a fresh network connection. Let me show you first. Go to Settings, then Network and Internet, then Advanced Network Settings, then Network Reset. Now click on Reset. Now I don't need, so I am not gonna reset. After clicking on Reset, your PC will restart. We hope this helps you get back to your game without any further interruptions. Thanks for tuning in, and happy gaming.